I'm here for you. I take care of you. I give you the things you want, things you enjoy, but above all, things you need to live. It really wasn't all that easy in the beginning, but I've always moved with the times and got better. From hard manual labor to steam power, then to electricity and automation. Now, I'm standing on a solid foundation. The footprint I leave behind, however, isn't that nice. In fact, I'm still making a lot of dirt, and I'm pretty hungry for energy and precious resources. So I can't go on like this. I have to keep adapting and to change even faster. I need to become more digital so I can create images of myself in the digital world. With these digital twins, I can try things out and optimize myself before becoming real. I gather volumes of data to see how I can make myself even better. I am industry, and I want to get smarter, more flexible, more productive, more efficient, more secure, more sustainable, and far more resilient. But nobody can do it alone. I rely on strong partnerships between technology providers, suppliers, users, and creators, but also on trailblazers who understand how together we can take industry to the next level, and who can use cutting-edge technology to gain new insights and unlock previously unimagined potential. People who understand that becoming a digital enterprise is the gateway to new levels of efficiency. People who will join me on my journey into the digital future and help me pave the way to the industrial metaverse. People who help me accelerate transformation to create a better tomorrow.